How to send YouTube videos on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and further navigate to the video that you want to send on Discord. Further, open the video and then tap on the share icon you see there. Here you will see the option for copy beside the link. So tap on the copy option you see there in order to copy the link of the video. Now, go ahead and open Discord and then go ahead and open the message or the group where you want to send the YouTube video to. Once you have opened the direct message, simply go ahead and paste the link that you just copied from YouTube and then tap on the send button, and with this, that particular video will be sent to the user. So this was about how you can send YouTube videos on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.